Bora Muguta Crew. Saragana de.
Kai, Wizzy, Anturua. Think I'm going to be happy. Anturua, Wizzy, Anturua. Come on, Nick. University. The only player was
the member of penalty. Me, on the team, you want to best be penalty. Niboya. Bomber winning. Bon, she name a model. What I says happened to me, Talk to me, it's in the water, it's in the buffer. What's that now? What's up? And to me, penalty. I don't know. Let me penalty to me. And I love my minute. Oh, me. What's that? We got what I got. What's that? That's what I did. Oh, me fit.
I know I'm doing this here.
Oh,
we are the way I can do it.
What's that? Oh, what will you manage to watch? What's I was that? Oh, I don't know.
I say so I will continue.
Of course, I have.
Obo proud de o le chibechi. Ne. Ani ko yo kazano we. O so obo so de chibechi.
Yeah. Request penalty. Me battery.
I wanna go ball left and ball right.
The ball left and right.
No ball left and right. See us. Anti the ball more ko bit more ball. Okay.
Me tell baby ah. Say player you go so we ball left and right. And left to we be ba mo.
Church ele ku. This one catch long. Na Paul who say so.
Say no fool best na be share.
You be come.
Who is the new fool?
I mean say no fool.
New first na share.
So say ala come. Yeah.
Punya CD. Punya
Zogaba kono wuri.
Ima besen.
Zogaba. Kake Johnson.
Bob mama chama.
I'm sure. Buza. Oh.
Okay. Next player. Malik.
Where's Malik fans now? Where's Malik fans?
Okay. Nice. For Jesse.
Japon. Malik.
I need for Jesse.
Japon. Where do you just sit? What's my shoes?
It's mad. Black weather.
Abi mnaga. Namo. Munya mumra.
Okay.
Ya ba tuma shene jesi. Busy. Ya she. On me phone. Jadi kan, ya pada. Ni where do we say? Ni where do we say? Wala. Ya bechi adidi kan, ya bechi Ghana for you. Ya tosu mi. Em se media no, mo ya bada ma se ya friend mo botimi aba. Enya do enya mu nyina na wa de. But mo ni say story we a very big trending story. E be call if you see baby ni where do we say? A premier team ya ye BP wo football bia na ye premier team ana 2017 ye demote ye bad division 1 ye bad division 1 no say ye first season ye qualifiers abo ana nas the problem kakra ba ye football and no am yan come back to premier after no say because of COVID, you know, ball last season your boy and so I'm say yanya the anti-man call premiership as they were now your panel. So this year no ya Kenya ya ball a rebel ya one of the best recruitment. You the 12 players and you recruit two omunyina no e bi abobo e wo abrotre e bi so abo teams akase e wo Ghana and you recruit omunyina e de omo abeka ye old players no at least you lose be 3-4 players omo so afie team na e bi ko abrotre e bi so adwane other premier clubs in Ghana. So your main target this year say you per se the team no back to the premiership. That's where you belong and as a whole you deserve. That's why unze and yene other players Asia yaka say you per se you omuchire ewiase nyina no bia won say you new players o ma be dwane ni wadu biase ye kan ya papa sema enema bebre ni ayo football ye wo premier ye di fourth da ye di fifth da ya bo ya fa FA Cup ako Africa da ya fa Go King da ye players o ma bo up to Blaster ya players are ko abrotre ye player fa apart from Go King ya fa swag ye player fa swag award da. That is your former captain, Mumuni Abubakar. So, Bibi o football mbiano. You want to be as a young guys, as me, Abdusalam Yakubu, Alessa Kome, Joe Abu Salam, William Mensah, and Omo Mukaunina. I'm say team way if you say a tea and young one. But you say young one spirit, you know. See about for Michelle Webi, as some of the James, Namutim na Guana. See and Timon Kabu. So that's why. Nina Kauna Kenya, the president team will come back to the premiership. That's why Biumuswa Usha player or two, a friend of Dinamo, the new son, Bobo, Ukraine, Romania, Oman, Bobo, Oman. I had an Abacan, I couldn't go a former Bibiase, our Koda has or the Azakes. Or Japan, Wababak, Wabeka, so Malika Korea, Obiani Malika Korea, was good, Wabo Hasofo, and also Ababiani, New Biase. Anna Bassett, or Bobo taking a Bobo was wedding, last year of a bomb mediama, and also Ababiani, New Biase this time. Anna a Japan, young striker, and also you're confident free, the Chiman City. Me and Madam for and I'm a good friend, Mickey Charles in the team. And also I want to free up what training. A yellow win where Yamia channel talent to be free. Oh, yes. Menam Kumasi and Mekons or Bobo. Now, Ubi Beckers and I'll win. I will movie the hard over there. Menam Kumasi and Korea. Now, win. I mean, more talent in our one. At times, and you're moving Kwana, le win betting me. Say you may win opportunity for 2 seasons. I was say why obey one of the best player Ghana. Eti me man me fan on me dey go to Biase and only team go here training. 10 players on buy no only first player you coach in Pekin. I yell win. Eti the win e be kan you to Biase win. Obey ambassador am a team. Apart from ambassador for the team no obey main player. Me sure say le win talent ono say sisi our country say movie no dey talk akra or boy to Biase or so boy to Biase for 2 seasons no should be a football in the record say le win in your opportunity be one of the best striker in Ghana until le win also you sign a 2 years contract ye man akonya no be kan to Biase na omode to Biase come back to the premiership enti ene say wa ha ya do a players no ye new players no. Apart from 6 way, there is another 6 here. I'm also Yabayan also Ashanti region. I'm 12 new players me assigning. I don't have a count players. There's another 12 players, 6 players as well. I'm Ashanti region. Also, you do more ever account a lies of a Kotoko former striker, Frederick Boateng on also count. nti any other players omo nyina eno so yebe no kwase nti mo amobaa nyina no bidi nyame beja obia yebeda obia so ase once again Lewen at the team no Eco Premiership obe support team no ma Eco Premiership yan konkwa
Insani. Chokonya no be nyim kakra.
Na ka mesen ka men kasa. Fasin ko inu anka bi de. Na ka kokoye bi. Nse kin gele bi na kin suasa. Nsem nya na laje ne mpeni fona ka wi ne nyamu na ti. Ekopon shi obi a Abdul Salam Yakubu Alaji yankonkon Asabatu. Wase buruni no. Buni na msia unhuse bi antwa mu vinda ana mo boda otumi de wu mu afro na odo aye adwuma na nyame abehira so book the talent but wenim be de obo ma onu se we wo talent hu se we se prayer we nim bobo tana daji akoye nyame hia ne pa obetse me bobo no o ka so obefa me ama bo no ma hye mu kana ama san me am le senta masa be ambassador o woni odo bi asiti ampampa na bam nyame sam danas sansa anyum started with the same time dia mo gina ebia dwen na se le de ebia wo mo bia agro sa no nisu be yo sa na odwum be yo oni betra me bo anyum sa na esre me sa na anyum anya gudu de start ya na pa ebi na papa laji saram ayintino mesemu munya mfa mpa bonta echi adobia team no na ya fa nkwe na menu se mabai minum tima edi etu beka fom ani yensu ahwiase because ye dey say ye konkon a wo kan wan ko ye ko ye nim ye hwe be sa so ne ye ko ye nim wo da wo so wo hwase na so like away etu nyam techi na Ghana enko hwase ba bia se ne Lewen majesi na to kakra fizizi na me bama ne odo bia se the team is budget Premier League or Ghana I believe God say am bia
ayo Lewen team nya de
Possible.
I travel. Who's the economy? Every child, I walk on South Africa from Zion. No,
Hey!
Pass it to Mumra. They both musicians. Lewen. Also be acrobat. Maybe I say Lewen. Play. Monyan more. Yanko. Beautiful. Keep on them. So. Lewen. Only a part of that to be clean.
Say. Oh.
How many? Maybe 3. What you want to win?
Ubotu.
That's 3.
Ubotu.
I think what you want to win. Oh, I'm saying. More than anything, say, yeah, more than one young baby.
Go lewe.
Hey! The mission overcheck. Overcheck mission. I left. Oh, no, Pambana.
I don't know anything. Hey, I can see. Come on. Hey! I just wait.
General never use why, but so that's no.
Anaba kuri bobi.
Many books. Many books.
Ah, yeah. And she said, I got that top and nature.
I don't know.
Player, we are more 2,000 back.